Hello students, we meet again. How are you? I hope all of you are fine because right now I'm fine too. This time we will learn how to make a carton wall clock. Let's just start. The materials we need are a circle carton, 2 small rectangular carton for the hands of the clock, a board pin or nut and bolt, and a marker. This is how to make. First, we draw a small circle in the middle of the carton. Second, we write the numbers of the clock. Start from number 12 and 6, and then number 3 and 9. Next, write number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Third, put the short hand of the clock, and then put the long hand of the clock, and then put the board pin or nut and bolt in the middle of the clock. If you use the board pin, you should put a small rubber at the sharp part of the pin, so your fingers will be safe. Your carton clock is ready now. You can use the clock for studying the lesson about time. Well, how do you feel? I hope you feel happy with the clock. Thank you. God bless you.